Gents, think about this for a second. On Valentine's Day, we buy lots of chocolate. For Easter, we obviously have the Easter rabbit and the chocolate eggs. On Mother's Day, we give out flowers. All that to say, what is it exactly you give out on Father's Day? Listen, I don't want to hear any rumors, okay? But for some strange reason, I feel like fathers are often neglected. Don't you agree with me? While you might think he was impressed with that gift card you got him last year and the year before, thanks to your boy, this year, you're going to step your game up. Here's 7 gift ideas to make this Father's Day the best he has never had. Hello everyone, my name is Chris Cabella. Welcome to the Gentleman's First channel. Number 1. If your dad is the type to keep his old and outdated piece of clothing for 10 years plus, then I assume you already know which jacket he's gonna use for those cooler summer eve, right? And that's exactly why you're going to refresh his outwear options with a lightweight coat jacket. Number 2, a really nice cocktail shaker. Get him a home bar tool worthy of all those old-fashioned Negronis and daiquiris he's so good at mixing up. Number 3, skincare products. Cool dads know skincare is very important, especially because he's getting up there in age, right? Number 4, a custom fitted shirt. Okay, I know it might be nearly impossible to secretly get his measurements and order him a shirt, but you know what? You can already book an appointment and just pay for it later. At number 5, a pair of wireless headphones. Make sure he's getting the best quality music piped into his ears when he decides to hit the gym or just go for a quick jog. At number 6, an Hawaiian shirt with a modern fit. Gents, let's just be honest. Those shirts went from being tacky to stylish almost overnight. The great news is that you can find them pretty much everywhere at a very affordable price. Just make sure your dad is up to date with his trend. Alright? Last but not least, at number 7. Hey, I honestly never met a guy who doesn't like watches. Plus, anything vintage is super trendy right now. Gents, hope you liked this video and find it informative. Did I miss anything? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Press the notification bell to be notified every single time we drop a new video. My name is Chris Cabella. I will see you next week. Peace.